In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change resume in LinkedIn. If you want to update the resume that LinkedIn uses for job applications, the process is very simple and only takes a minute once you know where to look. This is useful if you've recently updated your work experience, added new skills, improved the formatting of your resume, or created a version tailored to the kinds of roles you're applying for. To get started, open LinkedIn and make sure you're on your homepage. At the top of the page, click on the Jobs tab. This will take you into LinkedIn's job search and application area, where your application-related settings are stored. Once you're in the Jobs section, look over to the left-hand side and click Preferences. This area contains the settings related to how you apply for jobs on LinkedIn, including saved application information and uploaded resumes. From there, find the My Qualifications section. Under that section, select Resumes and Application Data. This is the place where LinkedIn stores the resume files you've uploaded for job applications. If you've used Easy Apply before, there's a good chance your current resume is already listed here. Now you'll be able to see your existing resume. If you want to replace it, you can remove the current one and then upload your new resume. Make sure the new file is the correct version before uploading, especially if you have multiple copies saved on your device. It's a good idea to check the file name as well so you can easily recognize it later. After uploading the new resume, LinkedIn will use that updated file when it's available for future applications, depending on the job posting and the way you apply. If you apply to different types of jobs, you may also want to keep your resume updated regularly so it matches your current goals and experience. One helpful tip is to quickly review the uploaded document after adding it, just to make sure there were no formatting issues during the upload. A clean, readable resume can make a better impression when you're applying. And that's all there is to it. That's how to change your resume in LinkedIn.